In this story, we learn about short vowels. Short vowel I sound as in tin. Bill sat on the lid of a bin with a paw under his chin. What is wrong, Bill? Why are you so grim? Said his sister Lynn. I was licking a tin of milk, said Bill. But a naughty kid kicked the tin and spilled the milk. I catch a big fish. Have a bit, said Lynn with a grin. Bill and Lynn ate the big fish. Now Bill was grim no more. Today we learn short vowels I. Thank you friends. Allah Hafiz. Like, subscribe, share.